To change your YouTube name and YouTube channel is really easy, and the first thing we're going to do is scroll over to YouTube and make sure you signed into the account that you want to change. In the top right hand corner of YouTube, you're going to select on your profile picture and scroll down to where it says view your channel. From here, it's going to take us to our channel, and we're going to select on the button of customize channel. This is going to open us up in YouTube Studio. And at the top here, where it says customize channel or channel customization, you're going to select on basic info. There's two things you want to change here. The first one is the name of your account. And this is going to be the change only on YouTube. It's not going to affect your other Google services. And then underneath that, you can also change your handle. This is the @. So if people mention you, it is also the unique URL to access your channel. Mine is youtube.com/Aldo James. You're going to just type in or add whatever name you want. And then once you're done, you're going to select on publish, and it is that easy to change your YouTube name and your YouTube handle.